Hi, my name is Danielle Carbonetto, also known as @hair by Danielletush on Instagram, and today I'm going to show you guys how I create an infinity braid. So what's really cool about this infinity braid is that it's very different than any other braid. It looks different and it's a little bit more of a Dutch braid kind of style. It sits on top of the head and it's really not that hard. So I'm going to give you guys some simple steps to create this braid. So what you're going to want to do first is have a tail comb handy. And what you're going to want to do is section your client from the temples up to the forehead, and you're gonna take it until you meet, and you're gonna take this section of hair, which should look like an arrow and a triangle, and it stops at the crown of the head. You're gonna take that hair and put it in a little rubber band. This is gonna help with the infinity braid by making it easier for us to section. So now that you see that piece of hair is inside the ponytail, we're going to take a Mica glass action, pump a little bit on our hands, rub it in, rub it in, rub it in, put it all throughout the hair, in the ponytail, and also on the sides. This is a very intricate braid, so we can't have any flyaways, and you'll definitely be able to see if there is flyaways with this braid. So first I'm going to start the infinity braid after putting all of that product in. I'm going to take these two sections in the ponytail, separate them. I have a right section in my right hand and I have a left section in my left hand. So what I'm going to do with my right section is take a little tiny piece out, and I'm going to take this piece that I took out of my right section and loop it under my right section, in between the right and the left, in the middle. And once it's in the middle, I'm going to take it and loop it over the left section. So you kind of do a loop inside the braid. And then what you're going to want to do to create that figure 8 look, take a little strand of hair on the left side and combine that into what you have on your left-handed side of hair. And you're going to conjoin those, marry them together, and put it underneath the left section, wrap it over the right section, and you will have your first wrap. And to complete this first wrap, you're going to take your right-handed section that you have in your right hand, add a little piece from the right, and you're going to take that section, add it into the right, and loop it underneath in the middle. And like I said before, you're going to take it and loop it on top of the left, add a little piece of hair with the left section and put it underneath. Then with that left section, you're going to put it over the right section. The right section, you're going to add hair into that right section, marry those pieces together, and loop it under and over the left section. Then you're going to add hair into the left section, go under and over. You're going to want to make sure that your hands are very, very tight with the hair. Don't make it loose in your hand. Just hold it very tight, and you're just going to continue that motion. You're going to add hair and go under and over, and you're going to add hair to the right section and go under and over, and you're going to add hair from the left section and go under and over, and add sections from the right, under and over to the left. You're going to take another section with your left section, put it under and over, and here you see now we have a beautiful infinity braid that's wrapped in and out and just makes a hairstyle look so cool. You can add this into any braid that you want or any hairstyle to make it look really cool. And I love this hairstyle. It's really not that hard to do. It's very fun, and as long as you can get your hands down the right way and really remember the steps, it's a really easy braid to do. Thank you so much for watching.